Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we finally got back to Lagos and I will be staying in this Rollace Hotel for the next 3 nights just to rest, recuperate, have some tour around Lagos before we fly back to the UK. So in this video I'll just show you a quick tour of Rollace Hotel, the room tour, and some areas of the hotel. And hopefully you will enjoy watching this hotel. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Rollace Hotel. I have stayed at this hotel and I love coming back. Lovely family hotel. So relax, sit back and enjoy this lovely video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I've just got to Lagos from Asaba and I'm staying in Rollace Hotel in 𝐽𝐥𝐢 estate. So I just want to give you a route tour of the hotel. So I'm just coming and I'm just tired, so just thought let's do a room tour before I sit down to eat. So here we go. So as you come into the room, there's this big beautiful walnut color cabinet, and in there you've got some hangers and safe if you need to use that, and also you've got tea making facilities for you if you want to make tea, and this is normally refreshed or refreshed every day. This is the 4th or 5th time I've stayed in this hotel, so I just love the ambience of the hotel. The staff are friendly. I feel secured here, and it's somewhere I love to come back. So this time I've come back with my husband and my sister-in-law on our way back to the UK. So also in here we have a little fridge in there that you can buy some drinks and cool in the fridge. You don't get any drinks in the fridge, so if you need any drink you have to bring your own or buy drinks and store in there. It's a massive room, massive room, and we've got double bed, and this is the room tour. Beautiful headboard, and also we've got 2 armchairs for where we sit and eat when with my husband. So here we got a dressing area as well as a nice size TV. So that's kind of in the room what you get for your. They have different packages for your room sizes and what you get in each room. Also, as you come in through the door, to your right you have the toilet, and in the toilet as we go in there's a bath and also some shower for you if you prefer baths or shower. So I like to soak in the bath in the evening just to relax. So I'm having my downtime here before I go back to the UK. So we've got bath and shower, and it's a clean bath. There's nothing I value like a clean bath, clean sheets and clean towels in a hotel. If I don't get that, I don't go back to that hotel again. So also we have toilets, some bath towels, as well as dressing gown, and also some extra towels.